Hello everyone! We will show you the way how we make our wild crackers. So we had wild garlic, fresh wild garlic, we had linseed soaked in water for a couple of hours, and what we did is we just harvested some wild garlic, and what we did is we already started blending. Stop it, Linda. We already blended some wild garlic, fresh wild garlic with linseeds. And we said, hold on a second, we can show you how we're making it. You know already, but here and there we still get questions. How did you make your crackers? They were delicious, and can you tell us? And we always keep explaining, and it's so easy, isn't it, Linda?
Yeah.
So I said stop the blender and we will explain them again. So you see the linseeds, you see the fresh wild garlic there, and there is some salt. We used wild garlic sea salt, didn't we? And you can use some drop of olive oil if you wish, but you don't have to really. Now, so that's all. Linseeds, wild garlic, some sea salt. You can use some just drop of olive oil, but you don't have to. Linseeds is a very good bean there. It will keep the crackers together. It's very slimy, so that's one of the reasons why we soak it in water, don't we? Now we will blend it, but also because it's a good binder. Okay, so let's blend it now, Linda, in front of them so they will see. Linda loves the voice of the 1, 2, 3. Let's go. We will blend it. We'll stop it for a second. We already started blending it, so we have to push it in. Okay, we still have pieces of fresh wild garlic, bare garlic, allium ursinum on the top, and some linseeds, or use flax seeds or golden seeds. You can use sunflower seeds, but we're using flaxseed because it's very good binder. So we will blend it together. Let's blend it again, Linda. It's already sticky and slimy. That's linseed making it. And that's it, that's done. Okay, we can show them how it looks now. See, this is the way how it looks. Nice smell, isn't it? Wow, garlic. Right, okay. Now that's not that bad, Linda. Okay, then we have some tray, because we will dehydrate it or dehydrate it in the raw conditions. Okay, so we have tray, some baking paper, and we will just spread it on the tray. Will we, Linda?
Yeah.
Okay, who will help me? Who will be?
Yeah.
Okay, it's you. We already did one batch, and it's already drying, and it's delicious. And when Linda tried them, she said, "Oh my God, it's delicious. Can we make another batch?" I said, "No problem at all. You can just harvest more wild garlic, and I will just soak linseeds, and that's it. That's all." Okay. This has been drying for the past 2 hours. So this is the way how they look. We will just spread it nicely. You can try them, and you can tell how they taste. Good. Are they crunchy?
Yeah.
Very crunchy. What were they sprinkled with? Poppy seeds? Poppy seeds, or we used white, black sesame, sunflower seeds, poppy seeds, whatever is available. I loved sprinkling with primula vulgaris or primula veris, which is cowslips flowers, or daisy flowers. Daisy flowers are beautiful, are they? On the top. Can you imagine them, Linda? Daisy flowers.
Yeah.
Yes, they would be beautiful. So this is the way what we do. We just spread them nicely, thinly, and this mixture will keep together, because flax seeds or linseeds, they act like a very good binder. It will get very slimy while it's or after a few hours of infusion. Even after 1-2 hours, it will get already slimy. So you just spread it nicely, thinly. If you spread it very thick, it will be very thick. If you want to get this kind of texture, You know, this kind of texture, very, very slim, skinny. So it will be crunchy, spread it nicely, thinly. Okay, I will keep this for you. So she tried, she was like, is it already ready? I said, no, it's not, because we're not baking it in the oven. We're drying it in raw conditions, which is what? 40 Celsius, roughly around 42 Celsius, which is, I think, 104, 105 Fahrenheit max. So you're not killing all those goodies. That's why, you know, raw conditions. And this way you can make your raw crackers with spinach, tomatoes, I don't know, spring onion, kale. You can add buckwheat seeds, buckwheat grains. You can add any kind of grains. But then, of course, the taste will be different, isn't it, Linda? The taste will, the final output, the final taste will be different. But we love wild garlic crackers because it's so simple, very simple. All you use is just greens, wild garlic greens or rams. You can use your, in America you have your allium trichocum rams. So we have wild or bear garlics, which is allium ursinum. It's related, it's relation. So it tastes very same. As you can see, this is wild garlic. It looks exactly same like your rams. But we're harvesting this bear garlic because of greens and stems, never because of the bulbs, because they're very tiny, which is good. It's not getting over harvested. I love that idea as well. So tasty. Linda, she can't stand the taste of wild garlic because it's very spicy, right? But as soon as she hears about wild garlic crackers, that's the different story. She wants to eat them because they are not spicy. It's already dried, and I'm not baking it in the high temperature, but I'm just baking it in the raw conditions, which is 104, 105 Fahrenheit. We're using Celsius here, so I never go over 42 Celsius, which is not over 104 Fahrenheit. Mama. It stinks, does it? Okay. Mama, less talking, more walking. You want more mixture? But we have to spread it nicely, thinly. Okay, sorry, I forgot to work. So while I'm talking, she spread it all over nicely, thinly. And then once this is done, you can just sprinkle with some seeds, but you don't have to, only if you wish. What seeds are you wishing to use? What seeds do you want to use, Linda? Sesame seeds?
No.
Poppy seeds?
No.
Poppy seeds?
No.
Flowers?
Yeah.
Daisy flowers?
Daisy flowers.
Do you want to go and find them in the forest now? Really? Okay, so go on. You can go and you can gather some flowers. No, I want to watch fairy tales. Okay, so we will use seeds. Okay, and this is really fun for kids as well. Not just for me. I keep saying, keep teaching them young, because as soon as they will be grown up, it's too late. So this is very good. And she wants to be the part of everything. When I'm cooking, harvesting, she wants to see everything. She wants to harvest with me. She can already recognize good amount of wild edibles, wild flowers, wild plants. Of course, not in the Latin name. She doesn't need Latin name. I can recall all Latin names as well. Just whatever is my most favorite. The wild edible, I would remember Latin name, but that's not important, you know, not for a child at all. But just to be able to ID, proper ID, and then the usage and even the medicine. Linda, for example, she knows that when we're harvesting yarrow, when she sees yarrow, she always says, "Oh, that's for a girls. Is it this tea?" Yes, that's for girls. It's very good for urinary issues and for girls, for, you know, anything that is in connection with female issues. So okay, so now we will sprinkle it.
Sprinkle binkle.
Sprinkle binkle. This is handily harvested poppy seeds last fall, and then we will just pop it in our dehydrator. Did you eat it already, crackers? Okay, or we can use sunflower seeds. if you wish. If you want to have it more spicy, you can add cayenne, or you can add, I don't know, whatever you wish. I used to sprinkle it with plantain seeds as well. Or even with the wild garlic or ramp flowers. That was beautiful, you know. There are no boundaries in your imagination. No, there are never any boundaries, no limitations. Okay, so everyone have a good day. Thanks for watching us, and hope it will be handy for you. Do you want some sesame seeds? Sesame seeds, we have them here. Okay, bye everyone. Have a great day.
Bye.
Happy foraging. Send them kisses.